You find her?
Got it.
All right.
We'll just,
I got a couple bees over here coming after me now. You made them mad, Bruce.
they're all back there in the corner over that queen. Out here in Enterprise, Alabama, it's February 28th. This is Frank White, his boy May, and his daughter. What's your name?
Madison.
Madison. Boyd has bees, and he thought he'd come out and help with this video a little bit today. So we got a swarm over here on the fence. This is my first swarm catch of the year. Got one chasing me, just stung me in the back of the head. I tried to. Nice little swarm. Got us a box down here. We'll just put them in there. Should be an easy catch, but we'll see. So we'll get set up here and we'll get to work. They might be a little feistier than I would expect. What's that?
We don't have anything in the house.
They're a little bit.
Yeah, they look like they're going to work.
Swarms usually are. I'm going to put on my veil.
Yep, I might need to
Run over,
That's fine.
grab our kids.
Okay.
You're welcome to whatever.
All right.
Do you think you're gonna need any tools?
No, I think we got everything I need. Is there a plug in case I decide to use the vacuum? I've got a cord.
Yeah.
If not, we'll be okay. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but.
So you take them home and put them in a box and they just stay there, huh?
That's the idea. You never know for sure though with bees. They'll do whatever they're gonna do. Getting after you?
No, I just. Do they do that? They will. I'll get my.
No, I don't think so. I don't think they'll bother you.
Oh my word, they just sit there.
You getting it, Boyd?
I'm getting it.
There she is.
You find her?
Got her.
All right.
Now, will they go in there to get her in there?
Yep. I'll show it to you. She's a little, she's a young one. I need to touch it and focus. See that near the top? See her?
Mm-hmm.
There's the queen out here. Near the top. She's got a big bottom on her.
Oh, she's pretty too.
Yeah, she's a young one too.
Just
She can't get out of the cage. The cage is designed so the worker bees can get into her, but she's too big. Her bottom's too big, so she can't get out of there. If I put her in here, they should all, assuming she's the whole queen in the swarm, they should all come in. I don't have two cages, so if we have another queen, I'll be in trouble.
I've got a cage.
I think I can feel she's dumping in here now.
Mm-hmm. If you had to guess, how many pounds of bees you think are there?
I don't know, maybe a couple pounds, 2 or 3 pounds. It's not real big. It's not a real big thing.
About what you get if you ordered a box of bees then.
Maybe. I've never ordered a package, so I don't know. We got it, Steve. Frank, we got the queen and everything.
Okay.
We're just about done, actually. Believe it or not.
Yeah, they got a bunch on this side.
Still a bunch over there. That's what's fun when they get on fences, they get wrapped around everything.
Lots of them around there.
Bunch over there.
Yeah.
Come take a look in here, boy, see what you got. It's just a fairly huge swarm. But it could blow up into a really nice big hive.
Absolutely.
You catch them this early, man. They're over there too. Oh, there's a bunch of them on this side.
Yeah, there's a bunch
too.
in there. I think a pretty nice little swarm.
Yeah. So. Yeah, it's a good size little swarm. I like it. I'm pleased. Taking off.
Nice meeting you.
See you, Frank. Thanks for calling me, man. Yeah, we got a few over here. Be a good place for you to set up a trap over here, Floyd.
Absolutely.
Set you one up in some of those trees nearby, or even on the side of his barn here. I'm not 100% sure she's a mated queen. Pretty small.
It's mighty close to the.
What's that?
It's mighty close to the hive over in the tree too.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get some honeybee gone, spray the fence and get them flying, and they should go right in the box. That's my theory anyway. I don't know how the queen's gonna be.
Go ahead.
So we got most of them in the box. They're still flying around a little. We got the queen for sure. These are starting to march in a little bit, and they'll all go in. But I'm gonna get some honeybee gone, kind of spray the fence and get them off the fence, and hopefully they'll go in there in the box pretty quickly. But we're just gonna kind of let them settle here a little bit after I spray it. Let's see what happens. They usually go in pretty quick, but I gotta get out of here pretty quick, so I can't. I'm gonna spray this honeybee gone on there. Maybe it'll. You ever use that stuff?
I have not used it. Is that for fume boards?
No.
Is that made for fume boards?
Yeah. Have you ever used a fume board?
I have.
Have you used the nasty smell stuff?
I haven't.
This is what it smells like. So
It's not bad.
it smells like almonds. Almonds or apple, I don't know what it smells like, but the bees hate it. And then I don't. Yeah. We'll just,
I got a couple bees over here coming after me now. You made them mad, Bruce.
we'll just let them fly around and settle and hope they all go in the box. See what happens. Let's take a look at what they're doing here. Since I sprayed the fence over here with the honeybee gone, they're not really settling there much. And they do seem to be going in the box. They're fanning. Most of them obviously are in the box already. Queen's in there. So I think they're going to go in hopefully here pretty quickly. Give them a little time to see if they all go in, and then we'll close it up and get them out of here. really get tired of it. Let them do their thing for a few minutes and check back in a little bit. Boyd over there. And Boyd has bees as well. He's trying to grow a little bit as well. His bees actually aren't far from here. But these bees kind of came out of a tree just around the corner over there. And they're about in there. I think I'm gonna take them. A few left out here, but they'll find their way back home. Little trauma there, I hate to see that. But it's a nice little swarm. I'm interested to see how they settle in. There they are. Queen's down on the bottom. Probably a good solid 2 or 3 frames of bees. And I'm gonna put them in a nuke. Whenever I get a chance, I'll leave them in here probably for a couple of days or whatever. And see what they do. Probably put them in a nuke and feed them. Release the queen in a day or two and just see what happens. First swarm of 2020 out here in Enterprise. Fun stuff. I'm gonna sign off for now. Appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. On to the next video.